Title: Determining the Effectiveness of Security Measures, a comprehensive guide for Level 5 diploma students. Introduction: Assessing the effectiveness of security measures is critical for ensuring that they adequately mitigate risks and protect assets within organizations. As security professionals, understanding how to evaluate and improve security effectiveness is essential for maintaining a robust security posture. This document aims to provide Level 5 diploma students with a comprehensive understanding of the principles and methodologies involved in determining the effectiveness of security measures. Defining security effectiveness. Definition: Security effectiveness refers to the degree to which security measures achieve their intended objectives of mitigating risks, deterring threats, and safeguarding assets. Key objectives. The primary objectives of assessing security effectiveness include identifying vulnerabilities, evaluating security measures' impact, and identifying improvement opportunities. Measuring success. Success in security effectiveness is measured by the ability to prevent security incidents, minimize their impact, and maintain operational continuity. Establishing evaluation criteria. Identifying key performance indicators, KPIs. KPIs serve as benchmarks for measuring the effectiveness of security measures. Examples include incident rates, response times, security audit findings, and compliance levels. Setting objectives. Clearly defined objectives help establish criteria for evaluating security effectiveness. Objectives should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. Stakeholder input. Input from stakeholders, including senior management, security personnel, employees, and external partners, ensures that evaluation criteria align with organizational goals and priorities. Conducting security assessments. Types of assessments. Security assessments encompass various methodologies, such as vulnerability assessments, penetration testing, security audits, and compliance reviews. Scope and methodology. Assessments should cover the full spectrum of security measures, including physical security, personnel security, information security, and cyber security. Methodologies should be rigorous, systematic, and tailored to address specific risks and requirements. Documentation and reporting. Thorough documentation of assessment findings and recommendations enables stakeholders to understand the strengths and weaknesses of existing security measures and prioritize remedial actions effectively. Analyzing assessment findings. Risk analysis. Risk analysis evaluates identified vulnerabilities and threats' likelihood and potential impact. Risk prioritization helps focus resources on addressing the most critical security gaps. Root cause analysis. Identifying the root causes of security weaknesses enables organizations to implement targeted and sustainable solutions. Common root causes may include inadequate policies, insufficient training, technological limitations, or human error. Impact assessment. Assessing the potential impact of security incidents such as financial losses, reputational damage, legal liabilities, and operational disruptions helps quantify the importance of mitigating identified risks. Implementing remedial actions. Developing action plans. Action plans outline specific steps for addressing identified security weaknesses and vulnerabilities. Plans should assign responsibilities, set deadlines, allocate resources, and establish metrics for monitoring progress. Prioritizing remedial actions. Prioritization should be based on the severity and likelihood of risks, available resources, and organizational priorities. Quick-win solutions and high-impact measures should be implemented first. Continuous improvement. Implementing remedial actions is an iterative process that requires ongoing monitoring, evaluation, and adaptation. Continuous improvement ensures that security measures effectively address evolving threats and vulnerabilities. Monitoring and reviewing effectiveness. Ongoing monitoring, regular monitoring of security KPIs and performance metrics enables organizations to track the effectiveness of implemented security measures over time. Early detection of deviations from expected outcomes allows for timely intervention. Periodic reviews. Periodic reviews of security effectiveness help identify emerging risks, changing threats, and evolving business requirements. Reviews should be conducted regularly and involve stakeholders from across the organization. Feedback mechanisms. Establishing feedback mechanisms such as incident reporting systems, employee surveys, and security awareness programs facilitates continuous learning and improvement in security practices. Communicating results and lessons learned. Transparency. Transparent communication of assessment findings, remedial actions, and lessons learned fosters accountability, trust, and confidence among stakeholders and demonstrates the organization's commitment to effectively addressing security risks. Educational opportunities, sharing insights and best practices from security assessments, provides educational opportunities for employees, enabling them to better understand security risks and their role in mitigating them. Continuous learning culture, promoting a culture of constant learning and improvement, encourages stakeholders to actively engage in security initiatives, contribute feedback and collaborate on innovative solutions. Conclusion: determining the effectiveness of security measures requires a systematic and comprehensive approach that encompasses establishing evaluation criteria, conducting assessments, analyzing findings, implementing remedial actions, monitoring effectiveness, and communicating results. By mastering these principles and methodologies, security professionals can proactively identify and mitigate security risks, safeguarding organizations from harm and ensuring operational resilience. As Level 5 diploma students, it is essential to immerse oneself in these concepts, apply them in practical scenarios, and continuously seek opportunities for learning and growth in the dynamic field of security management.